Hey guys, Mo here again with a second video. Thank you all again for tuning in for the first video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Today where we're going to be talking about, as the thumbnail implies, we're going to be talking about some Apple first party accessories. So these are the accessories that Apple made for the brand new iPhone 12 lineup. So these accessories include accessories that have something a little different than the normal accessories that we've seen for years past. So as you may not or may know, the iPhone 12 Pros and Pro Maxes and even the 12 and the 12 Mini all have magnets behind them this year. So the magnets make like a circle around the Apple logo, and it has many implications. So for right now, Apple themselves have made some first party accessories for those. So these first party accessories include a leather wallet and also their leather cases. So with the case, it doesn't really do anything specific. Really, it just attaches to the case, and then it allows other magnetic devices attached to the behind the phone. So no more need for like pop sockets and things like that, and it just consolidates things from your pocket a lot better now. So now instead of carrying a wallet with you, if you're someone who carries, let's say, 3 to 4 cards with you, then the Apple leather wallet might be a good fit for you. So we're just gonna unbox them, check them out, see how they fit, and we'll go from there. All right. Okay, so here we have both accessories right over here, the leather wallet and the saddle brown case. I tend to usually go with saddle brown just because I like the way it looks when it ages over time. I'm going to show you guys how my older 11 Pro looks when that one aged a little bit afterwards. But let's just open it up now. So just going to just pull on this pull tag right here, and boom. That's just the box, nothing important there. And yeah, so this is the case right over here. And again, nothing too special, just a saddle brown case. Again, this is the ring right over here where the magnets are, and again, they align perfectly once you put it on the device itself. And again, this is more so other accessories can attach to it. So right now there are a few out there besides Apple's. There are a few third parties like Belkin and Nomad and others who are creating other cool accessories, especially for people who like to vlog and other just cool little tiny accessories to go with it. I'll probably show you some of those guys in another video. But yeah, so this is the leather case. Looks pretty good, feels pretty good. I usually like Apple's leather. Usually feels really nice, feels very genuine. And this case will run you, it's not gonna be here, it's gonna be right here actually. So this case will run you $60. So again, it's quite expensive for just the case, but again, the quality of the case and the durability of it, the longevity of it definitely plays out. So I'm a huge fan of Apple leather cases. But again, there are other third parties who make them, but anywhere you get leather cases, to be honest, it's going to be $50 and up, to be honest. But again, there are other third parties there. So now we're going to go with the leather wallet, and I decided to get this one in black just for the contrast, but it does come in other colors as well. I think black, blue, and then this saddle brown color. Yep. So right here also will run you about $60. Again, now this is a personal preference thing. If I don't think it's necessary, but if you do want it, it is there. And again, it's good for consolidating. I'm someone who carries normally 3 cards max, so this is something that I would really appreciate, and I'm pretty sure other people will as well. So yep, just gonna toss that to the side and pull out the wallet. So a lot of concern with this wallet was online that how strong is it when it comes to attaching to the back of your device, because the last thing you want is the wallet to fall off and you lose it. And this is pretty much where it shows you how you're going to pull your cards out. So even when the magnet attaches to your device, when you want to take your card out, you have to take the magnet off and then use your thumb over here and just pretty much slide it out like that in that fashion, and boom, pull it out and you're done. So no, Apple does not include a card with the leather wallet, but yeah. So now let's see what happens when you attach the accessories onto your mobile device. So this right here is my 12 Pro Max, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in there, and see that little animation right there. It just confirms that boom, the case is attached. And again, saddle brown looks really good now, but it looks a lot better when it ages. I'll show you guys how that looks in a bit. And this is the wallet right over here. So the wallet also attaches right there, and when you put the wallet on, once it gets magnets, boom, now it just knows that there's a wallet attached to it as well, and you can always straighten it out like that, and it looks pretty good, and definitely doesn't feel like it kind of locks right in place. Actually, doesn't feel like it'll be easy to remove or just fall out like very easily. But again, it definitely adds some style to the device. Definitely like the look and the feel of it. Definitely makes it feel extra premium. Again, it is quite expensive, but it is worth it if you're someone who likes slim cases and who's someone who enjoys the quality of leather. But again, third parties also do make this kind of stuff. I'll try to link some in the description below for you guys to check out. And I just want to do a little quick pocket test and make sure how durable and sturdy this is when you're pulling it in and out of your pocket, and see if we can dispel some of those rumors that claim that it's not as strong as it looks. So again, if you check out Peter McKinnon's video, actually he did a really good video on this about how durable it is and why he loves it so much. I'll probably link that in the description below. But yeah, and let's take a closer look at the wallet. But again, these kind of things, time will tell how good they are. But just by looking at the seams, and you can tell a lot of care went into this. This definitely doesn't look like something that'll just break or start to shred up in a few months' time. So definitely looking to see how well this ages over time. Okay, so we have the phone here now with the black leather wallet. As you can see, it looks very good, like the contrast between the brown and then the black. So I want to show you guys how the saddle brown is going to look when it ages over time. So this is pretty much how it's going to look after maybe a few months, like 6 to 8 months. Again, it gets that dark tint on it, feels very good, looks very nice. It doesn't like get worn out or anything. Again, you have to be someone who actually cares about the quality of the leather in order to take care of it. If you're someone who constantly drops their phone all the time, then a leather case might not be for you, but it's not the most protective case. Again, it does offer some sort of protection. It just doesn't offer the best protection. So if you're someone who drops your phone constantly, especially like on concrete or other hard surfaces, then the leather wallet might not be for you. But if you're someone who appreciates the feel of leather, it adds an extra layer of grip, and it does offer minute security from drops. So that's also very good. So now this is the leather wallet. Again, when you want to get your card out of here, you can't really just like put your thumb in and try to slide it out. You have to detach the wallet, and then you have to put your thumb where your card is over here, and then you slide up, and then your card pops out, and you pay for what you got to. Insert your card back in and plop it right back in. That little thump sound you heard right there is when it's securely in place. So if you have your wallet off, it goes off, and then when you put it on, you hear that thumb sound and you see the animation. That means the wallet is securely in place. And again, it's very durable. So I want to do a little pocket test so we can see if it detaches, or we can dispel some of those rumors that say it's not durable when you're pulling it in and out of your pocket. Most people making those claims don't actually own the wallet. It's just their opinion, just by the way they see it. But me, after just having it for the 5 minutes that I did, I can tell this is not going to be something that comes off very easily. So if you go over here, we have the phone. Put it in. Right now, these aren't the slimmest pants ever, but I do wear a lot of slim fit pants, and I'm confident it'll be fine. So when you pull out the phone, easy, put it back in. And normally when you're grabbing it, you're usually just grabbing the case, the leather wallet with it as well. So when you go like this, put it in there, you grab it, it's right there. But even if you don't, right? Let's say, for example, you just go like this, go like that, it's not going to come off. And if you're someone who keeps it in their back pocket, like that, let's say, don't even grab the wallet, just grab the case of the phone itself, and the wallet still stays on pretty tight. It doesn't really come off again. Again, these are not the slimmest pants, but I'm pretty sure anyone with slim pants will not have an issue. Again, Peter McKinnon made a great video about how good the wallet is and how strong and sturdy it is for him. So I definitely encourage you guys to check that out. I'll link it in the description below. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. With that being said, also like, subscribe, and share. Definitely would appreciate that, and I definitely look forward to hearing your guys' opinion about it, whether it's for you or whether it's not for you. Definitely let me know in the comment section below, and if you have any other questions, please ask down there. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning in and checking it out. I definitely hope to see you in my next video. Peace out. Oh, and also, please don't forget to follow me on social media. Links also in the description below for Twitter and Instagram. All right, guys. See you next time. Peace out.